Finally, we've already sort of touched on this a little bit, but when a polynomial is written in the proper form, we call that descending order. Now, descending order, and again, this was our example that we've been working with as we were talking about the terminology. Each variable, when it's written in descending form, is decreasing in power. So here we're starting out with an x cubed, and then next would come x squared, and then x, and then no x's. So 3, 2, 1, 0. That is perfect descending order. Now sometimes you're going to get a polynomial that looks something like this. And in this case we've got x squared, so next in descending order should come x to the first, 2, 1, 0. But we're missing that plain x term. It's important to kind of recognize that, because especially when we get to division of polynomials, we will have to be able to put in each one of those missing variables. Just there's no way that we'll be able to do the problem without it, and keep everything straight. So we're going to practice doing that now to get used to the idea. We're going to write these polynomials in descending orders, descending powers of the variable, and with no missing powers. So starting out with this one, we're starting out with a 5y cubed. So now think about it. We start out with 3. In descending order it should go 2, 1, 0. But we're missing an x squared term here. In order to show that, we can put in what's called a 0 placeholder. So we can literally say we have 0 y squareds. So 3, 2, next would come 1. So we have a plus 2y, and then a minus 10. Now this is in perfect descending order. 3, 2, 1, none. That is the problem written in proper descending order. Now let's try this one. We're starting out with our highest power of x, which is to the 5th power. So we're starting out with 5. Next should come 4, but we don't have any. So we have 0 x to the 4ths. Now next should come 3, but we don't have any again. So plus 0 x cubes. Next should come squares, and we do have one of those. So that'd be minus x squared. Then should come plain x's, and we don't have any of those. So that would be plus 0 x's, and then our plain numbers, which is 2. So if we check this, we're starting out with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, none. And that is our perfect descending order.